Hey guys, Crispy Vids back with another one. So today we've got the iPhone 13 Pro unboxing here. So the new 13 Pro has a slew of new features. It's still got the same 6.7 inch and 6.1 inch size for the Pro Max and the Pro respectively. We've got a new colour this year, Sierra Blue. Here I have the 256 Graphite 13 Pro. There's a lot of upgrades in the camera this year with cinematic mode and a whole heap of other things. We've got the new, probably the biggest news is the Super Retina XDR display with 120 Hz Pro Motion. The A15 Bionic chip is a lot faster, as every year. The chip's always faster, we know this. It also claims to have awesome battery life, so the 13 Pro almost gets what the 12 Pro Max got last year, so that'll be interesting to test that out. Still got the ceramic shield and everything else like the 12 Pro Max. The style's the same as the 12 Pro Max, but the camera surround here is much bigger this year, especially for the Pro models. The Pro Maxes last year in the 12 series already had fairly big cameras, but they are still a little bit bigger. So let's get into this one here with the unboxing. We've got the 13 Pro here in graphite, and Apple doesn't have the plastic wrap around it this year. They're trying to help the environment, so we've got the new pull tabs on this year. So let's get these off and get it out. And there you go, there's the massive, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it is huge compared to, even if you compare it to the 11 Pro, it's even bigger again, but it is much bigger than last year's 12 Pro. So let's get this out. You get the normal stuff in the box, the USB-C to lightning cable, no power brick, no headphones, and the usual SIM card tool, paperwork, and single Apple sticker. Let's get the paper off the front of this and have a look at the screen. And there's the new notch just there. You can see it's a bit smaller now. So it's a little bit deeper into the phone and smaller widthways. So it's 20% smaller apparently, but you know, we're not really going to notice 20%. When Apple finally gets rid of it and does the porthole design or another design, then we're really going to notice it. But it is nice to have a little bit of a smaller notch this year. So there you have it, guys. There's the iPhone 13 Pro. I'll test this out and do another video and let you know how I go. Thanks, guys.